Good evening, everybody. Apparently, the computer is going to take over the world here. So, I'm not sure what the hell it's doing. But the market is up. So, we do nothing. Let's check out brokerage. We did buy CNXC 6073. So, let's check our spreadsheet just to make sure that we got the right fill in our records. 6073, there she is down at the bottom. So that's it for the main account, and we're going to make it a twofer. So if you're new and you don't care about the rest, see you later. But let's get right into the main account as well. So we need to catch up the spreadsheet, and wow, there's a lot of stuff. Order of Sirius got filled at $4 and a nickel per share. I need to see how many shares we currently have. So yeah, I need to get this added in here. It's starting to become a pretty sizable position, but it's taken some time, right? And that's the beauty of it. But I'm going full lots. And I'm not holding back nothing. The only thing that's taken a little slowdown is just the premium content, but that's okay. All right. So that one actually filled March 15th. Okay. So we can go ahead and put the sell order in for that sucker. I figure at my own average, even though it's on the broker, I got trust issues. So if you guys want to see what it is we're looking at. But those of you who follow along should already know. All right. Oh, hey, hello, little D. We got a nice position too. Very nice. Very nice. All right. As we go through and see what we got to get caught up on here, we had PHINIA, PHIN paid dividend, and I got a zero cost basis there. Same thing for WK Kellogg Company, which is ticker KLG. Dividend there. My cost basis is also zero there. Those are from spinoffs. So that's unlimited returns. Also got income from Realty Income, ticker O. Got a dividend from ABR, which is the REIT. We started buying up BidX here. So let's take a little look at that. And you can see the opportunities here on the 30. Still holding that. So that's that. Went out for lunch, so bought Pepsi as my war on inflation. We started buying the SPXL, but we also sold it at the open. You can see this spike, it's a beautiful spike. We averaged in and bam. So you can see even on slow days, that's the value of still doing this little thing, and it makes me feel like a day trader still, even though it's really not that difficult. But most of the best ways aren't. 3, 6, 9, 10 lots. So pretty good position size. And not a huge gain, but we're getting it. If you've been following along, you know, working every day or every other day, right? So it's really panning up, and that's what we got for catching up the spreadsheet. We locked in a little profits on an update, which is good. So let's go ahead and look at oil. Whole lot of nothing going on today for it. We'll go through the rest of the commodities and power through to the end of the video. Still just kind of waiting for the metals and inversely waiting to sell the cryptos. So now we're looking for a swing trade sell order or a swing trade entry. And let's get after it. Expeditors. Universal's starting to work in our favor. All right, we locked in a dividend here on Leggett, and it's definitely setting up for a number 2 here. So we'll get a second entry. Same with Boeing. Same with Apple. We're waiting 172.86. We still have a few dollars to go on that. We're getting close to selling this guy as it flags up right into the X date. So I'm still hanging out. I'm going to let it go ahead and hit all the way. You've got a gap up here that's still open. So it should go all the way up here. So I don't see any reason to sell this one out. So I'm not. All right. I guess, yeah, we've decided that some of these are just big, or we've just had them for so long that we'll start taking swing trade entries. And this guy is just cruising. We got the 28 call or put. We sold the 28 put. So playing with my emotions again. But that's what stocks do. So you got to take emotions out of it, right? All right. We had a few that were close, but we just do our due diligence, go through our list, and see if we can find something. This one did hit here, but we're waiting on the 5 here. That ADM really hit. I shouldn't just now be getting out. Do I still have that? Surely I don't. I'm going to just double check. Patience pays in the markets. That's a beautiful move. That's perfect. I think I took a little over 6% on it, which is just fine too. I mean, if you get out too early, you just have to wait longer for it to set back up is the only thing. But I do a little bit of this on margin, so I'm happy to get out safely. Lowers my risk. McDonald's is fixing to set up. Very nice. Beautiful pattern too. Brown-Forman's getting ready to set up. That's part of my war on inflation though, so we won't be swing trading it. The water company's getting close. Foot Locker, did not crash. Wow, it had every opportunity to go down. This support level seems to be holding. So we still have to wait a while for the moving averages to catch up to the crazy fast price movement to the downside. Yeah, it don't take very long every day once I get done fumbling around with the spreadsheet. But record keeping is incredibly important. and that's really the only way you can track your progress in an honest way. Um, the statements are meant to deceive you. That's the game. Keep you confused, keep you scared. You know, that's how you get the most control over people. That one's going to set up beautiful, going sideways like we like, and that's it. So, not much going on today, but we did make some money uh, in the main account. And you can see why I employ strategies uh, that aren't in just the basic, we're just getting started public account. So once your account gets big, I mean, these are the strategies I use. So if you can learn anything off of that, I'm happy to share it. And have an awesome evening.